Hello friends. Today I pick up my passport today. So I am here in our village and I pick up my passport. So yeah. This is my passport now. Let's see what's in here. Turn around. This is the new passport now. So this is the village. So I have now the passport. Just happy. We can go anywhere now. Okay, I'll show you. Tutorial around here in our shopping center. This is the chemist, and this is the bakery, medical center. See, bakery there. The playground of the kids because there's a medical center. There's few restaurants here. Wiseberry and the East Palace has been here since this opened. This is the gasoline station. Domino's. So this is the thing. And that's the plaza. This office. This office. That's the butcher. There's a butcher here. There's that shop, bottle shop, and news agency, and a few restaurants there. Okay, so this is the thing. I'm happy. Na-receive ko na. Na-receive ko na. Post office. Sit ito. Village. Traffic na dito. Cross the road. Oh, traffic na. From the time na metro is open, ano na, naging busy na. our bill's been very busy because there's so much development. But at first, when we came, first time we came here, I think 1999. This is the first development here. It's like farm, cattle's, farming, chickens, factories, poultry, like that. Ngayon, town na. Ang dami na pangyayari. Naitaon pa na. Naitaon pa na pasukan ng mga bata. Ang ganda ng nila dito, yung fence na plants na ito, sari-sari. Nagme-maintain ng garden. There's someone maintaining the garden. There's someone that is a bit messy, like mine, like our garden. So, very na. Ang dami ng very wild ang garden ko. Sari-sari. Ayan mo na. Strawberries there. Strawberries and dragon fruit. Ang dami. And I'll show you this pumpkin in this spot. Oh, ang laki-laki na. Kala ko hindi mabubuhay last time eh. Ang laki-laki na ngayon. Okay, I'm home now. I'm home now with my passport. Okay, thank you, friends. Please subscribe and see you next time again. My burro still is very kailangan na nila ng topsoil. Okay, that's it for today, friends. I'll have my breakfast. Bye. See you next time again.